So in this video, we're going to talk about data boosters and how we use our data boosters with our boxes. And it actually goes on here. And anytime we go into an extension cord of extra 25 feet, we need to put a data booster. So if you want to learn more about permanent lighting and stuff, follow the channel, click in here. If you got any questions, put the questions down in here in the comments, and I'll get back and I'll answer your questions. But back to data boosters. These are the data boosters that we use. Basically, we're going to screw it in there. I'm actually going to pull my plate back down up here, and I'm going to mount the box up here. He's actually going to have a plug installed up here. For now, it will be ran with an extension cord down, but he is going to get a plug installed over here. So that way we will be able to keep it out of the way and all of the good stuff of keeping it out of the way. So data boosters, if you don't have a data booster, you can actually just use one of the lights, plug it in. You might have to tape it if it's up in the attic, like these here are going to be up in the attic and nobody's going to see it. So these are the data boosters to boost the data. Again, you don't need these as long as you got lights, because the lights are actually going to boost the data out through the lights. And so there is 3 wires. It's 1 power, 1 negative, and the middle one is the data. And so that is the purpose of these data boosters. The data boosters are designed to keep the power, or to keep the data good, and to keep it moving forward. So whatever, if you have something go wrong with your data, you might need to add a data booster. Maybe you're too long on an extension. They do recommend putting the data boosters right outside the box. The one I could probably get away with, it's only about a 6-foot run, but the other ones are 15, 25, or the other one's 15 and one's 50. So I've actually got one data booster in the middle of it, and I've got this data booster here that will go in there. So you'll be able to see once we get this hooked up and we'll turn all the lights on. I'll show you what this house looks like. It looks amazing. Permanent Christmas lights are awesome. I also want to know down in the comments, if you made it in this far in the video, tell me what you call them. Do you call them permanent lights? Do you call them Christmas lights, permanent Christmas lights? What do you call them in the comments?